Hello, ladies. I'm your doctor Anushri Rawat, head consultant gynecologist at Agra Women Wellness Center. And today we are going to talk about an important topic for which females normally hesitate in asking or coming out for it. Common vaginal discharge, which every female once in her life suffers from. So basically, vaginal discharge is nothing but a common, very natural mucus secretion from your body, which is normally healthy and it should be there. But when it is infected, then it causes you troublesome symptoms like pain in abdomen, backaches, itching, foul odors, or maybe the quantity is so much that you have to use a panty liner or soil your panties. So that is the time when you need to be very much alert and reach out to your gynecologist for its treatment. There's nothing to be scared of it. Every white discharge is not related to cancer, but once you ignore it, definitely you are welcoming cervical cancers and its consequences. So the very common test which we routinely advise to all the females who are sexually active, not only married but yes, sexually active, they should go for Pap smear test or a liquid-based cytology that involves a very simple procedure that your gynecologist can do in just 2 minutes. It's just taking out or taking a sample of the discharge, what we see from your cervical mouth, and the readings can be read, which interprets any kind of infection you can have or any natural signs of inflammation which we see. Inflammations means swelling, or which is a chronic condition that causes because of infection. Other thing what we very importantly rule out in Pap smear is any signs or early signs, I must say, of cancer or precancerous situations where we can detect the females who are at high risk of developing cancers later on in their life. So please do reach out to your gynecologist and go ahead with this simple test which is valid for 3 years. But in case you have any kind of infection within those 3 years, then it's the only way of repeating it. Otherwise, 3 years it's valid, and every 3 years you are, as a female, for your health, you need to screen yourself with a Pap smear test. Thank you.